Welcome to the HVAC Marketing Program, where we help HVAC professionals get more broken AC and furnace repairs or replacements. How? Our team of experts accelerates your online marketing with search engine optimization and ranks your HVAC business over time to the first page of Google and Bing, so that your website shows up before your competition does. So basically, when someone's air conditioning goes out and they Google search for an HVAC professional to fix it, you're the person they call first. Interested? To learn more about the HVAC Marketing Program, call us at 844-WORKS360 for your custom marketing strategy today.